clear the tcl86t library DLL pop-up, we need to relink your code libraries. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and here is your safe, verified fix. As we look at the manual steps for tcl86t library, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the tcl86t library, the threaded implementation of the tool command language, TCL, core library. It manages the localized execution of TCL scripts and provides the localized memory management and command parsing for applications using the TK graphical toolkit. It is frequently embedded in cross-platform engineering and data science applications to handle localized UI automation and scripting tasks. Failure results in a TCL interpreter not found, error during the application's initialization phase. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. A missing tcl86t library DLL usually suggests that a failed update removed a critical piece of the tcl/tk integration, so reinstalling the latest version of your software, where the error was shown, will automatically restore the library and update the registry links. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the tcl86t library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for tcl86t library. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing tcl86t library. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure tcl86t library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.